Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Being Easy, and today it's going to be a quick update video-ish, sort of like an update video. Just addressing some few things, because I've been getting like enormous amount of comments on this subject, and it's kind of getting annoying at this point. And the main issue here is that I'm just getting spammed with people asking for shoutouts on the channel. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. As when I was small, I wanted shoutouts from big YouTubers in order to jumpstart my channel, and I'm fine with giving shoutouts to as many people as possible. The only issue is that I can't give shoutouts to every single one of you, and at this point I'm getting so many requests for shoutouts that it's getting a little overwhelming. Not gonna lie, it's actually very difficult going into comment sections and like actually looking for who actually followed the requirements to get a shout out on the channel, because as you know, and I'll probably put it up on screen right now, there are 3 requirements that I ask just so you guys can give me something in return for shouting you out, because therefore it's like a fair deal. I shout you out and you help out the channel in some way, in some small way. And the 3 goals, I put them up on screen right now. Basically, subscribe to the channel, number 1, turn on notifications, number 2, and number 3, use my Fortnite supporter creator code. That's all I ask. I mean, all of that stuff is 100% free. I'm not asking you to give me free money or anything. I'm not begging for money. But just, guys, understand that it's a little overwhelming, and it's kind of getting a little annoying when I'm just being spammed with comments saying, give me a shout out, when that person's like literally not even subscribed to the channel, and they just show up here and they're asking for free shout outs just because they see that I have a free, or that they see that I do shout outs at the beginning of every video. And that's not really fair to those who are actually subscribing and who are actually like doing the required steps. That's not fair for me to give them shout outs when they haven't followed the proper rules. So I just wanted to make this quick video addressing this issue. So guys, if you want a shout out and are actually looking for help growing your channel, I am okay doing that. But realize at the end of the day that shout outs are not going to be the number 1 source to grow your channel. It's nice at first to get a jump start, which I understand, because I've always wanted a shout out from big YouTubers, but I don't think I've ever got one from a huge YouTuber. I know that smaller ones have shouted me out, but realize that in the long run, shoutouts aren't going to be the main cause of growth when it comes to your channel. The main factor determining your growth is how much effort you put in, the quality of your videos, how many videos you upload. So it's all about quality and quantity. You want to upload as many good quality videos as you can in a short amount of time, because that's how you're going to grow over time. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. It's getting a little overwhelming. I'm still going to continue to do shoutouts, but I'm going to be a little pickier when I choose, because it's not fair to those who are actually doing the required steps to get that shout out. Those who are just saying give me a shout out and they're not even subscribed to Life Made Easy, that's not fair. That doesn't benefit anyone, honestly. And guys, just realize that if you're an up and coming YouTuber or a small YouTuber and you're looking to grow, shoutouts are fine, but realize that you have to put in the work to grow. That's what I had to do. The reason I'm at the place where I am right now, over 5,000 subscribers, is because I put in the effort to try to grow the channel. I've tried to upload consistently and quality content, so I hope you guys can understand where I'm coming from with this. I hope you can follow some of these tips that I'm giving you right now. So with that being said, guys, do the steps for the required shout out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.